Hey y'all, it's me, Mr. Couch back with another video. Today, we are going to be making a spark plug ornament. I got this idea from my friend's YouTube channel, Willie McCollum700. You might have seen him on some of my other videos that I have. And I also appear on his channel too. And I'll leave his channel link in the description so you can check out the original video for his idea on this. I thought this was really cool, and I thought I should, put it on my tree. I think that would be a really nice addition to it. So, I am going to show you how to make this and what you will need. So, here's my tree, by the way. Looking nice. By the way, we had this tree for so many years. Like, probably, I don't know how old I was. I was probably like 4 or 5 when we got this. And after every Christmas, we'd just wrap it up and we'd put it in the basement and just bring it back out every other Christmas and fluff it back up. I think that's really cool because you don't have to waste money on another tree every year. So yeah, anyways, let's get into how to make it, and maybe you'll find this helpful and hopefully you can use this for your tree. Okay, so what you'll need is, of course, a spark plug. Any type of spark plug will do, no matter the brand or anything. And a little metal wire that this one already went to a ornament, but you could just get any little small metal wire that's easy to bend, or a string. So what you want to do is, okay, sorry I was being quiet there, someone was just texting me. Okay, you see this right here? There's a little gap you can put your metal bar in. Sorry if it's not focused, but you put your metal bar in like that. Here, like that. It's a bit hard to get in there sometimes. But when you put it in, you don't want to have the end to it. You want to kind of leave some metal left like that, because you're going to wrap that around. So once you pop that in there, just put a little force on it, it should pop in there. You'll wrap it, kind of wrap it around the bar a bit, and fold it in. You fold it like that, then bend that back around, kind of like that, so there's not really any sharp edges. You don't have to make it perfect, but there, and then that'll hang like that. Your wire, kind of bend it into a hook shape to put it on the tree like that, so it'll stay on the tree. And now I'm going to show you me putting this on the tree. Alright guys, we're going to find somewhere to put this. I think we should put it right here for now. Gotta find it. Here, flip my thing and we'll demonstrate what this looks like. See, the hook goes on the thing. And there, you have a spark plug ornament.